Hello everyone. Today we will study about the types of joints. So before knowing the types of joint, we must know what is joint. A joint is a place where two bones meet. Two bones are joined together by a strong connective tissues called ligaments. Our body has more than 100 joints. All the joints in our body except the joints in skull are movable. So let us study about the four types of movable joints. Now the first one is ball and socket joint. The shoulder joint and the hip joint are the examples of ball and socket joint. In this type of a joint, the ball shaped end of one bone fits into the cup shaped socket of the other bone. It allows movement in all directions. Now the second one is hinge joint. This type of a joint allow movement in only one direction, that is backward direction or a forward direction. It is like the hinges of a door, so that is why it is known as hinge joint. The elbow, knees, fingers and toes are having a hinge joint. The third one is pivot joint. This type of a joint is found where the skull meet the two top vertebrae of vertebral column. It allows our head to move up and down and sideways. That is from right shoulder to the left shoulder and left shoulder to the right shoulder up to 180-degree angle. Now the fourth one is gliding joint. This type of a joint is found in wrist, ankle and between the vertebrae of a vertebral column. It allows our back to bend, twist and turn. The bones at this joint slide against each other, and the most important thing is that the synovial fluid present between the bones, between the joints, makes the movement easy of these joints. So this is all about the types of joint. Thank you so much.